Hi and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to check the history of your Forex VPS, including restart, shutdown, and stop activities, all from your SocialVPS client area. First, log into your client area. Once you're in, click on the Services menu to view a list of all your active services, including your VPS. From the list of active services, select the VPS you want to check by clicking on its name. You'll be taken to the VPS Details page. Now, scroll down until you find the Task History section. This is located under the Additional Tools area at the bottom of the page. Click on Task History to view your VPS activity log. Here, you'll see a complete list of all actions that have been performed on your VPS. The information displayed includes date and time of the activity, type of activity, restart, shutdown, stop, etc., status of the activity, success or failure. So, why is it important to check your VPS activity history? Monitoring your VPS activity history is crucial for several reasons. Security. Identify any suspicious activity or changes you didn't authorize. Troubleshooting. Analyze issues if there's downtime or server problems. Server management. Ensure all changes are intentional and no technical errors occur. With this feature, you stay in full control of your server operations at all times. Anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Give it a try and don't forget to share this video if you found it helpful. It might help someone else too. See you in the next guide.